Vacation, who needs to see this? All right. Number one, I have negative 5 on the outside of 11 plus 18W. When you have the 5 or a number on the outside of the parentheses, this number has to be distributed, that's why it's called the distributive property, to both terms on the inside of the parentheses first, and then you evaluate the inside. So I would have negative 5 times 11 and negative 5 times 18W. So what is negative 5 times 11? Negative 55. And what is negative 5 times a positive 18W? It is negative 90W. Now we have to remember our rules for multiplying and integers. I have a negative times a positive in multiplication, so my result is a negative number. So a negative 90W. And we just want to express the variable term, then the numerical term. So the answer would be negative 90W minus 55. We just want to get the habit of writing the variable term first. So this would be our answer. Okay? Everybody comfortable with that? Let's look at the next one. Number 2. I have 8 times negative 7 as well as 8 times a positive 16y. So 8 times negative 7 is negative 56, and 8 times positive 16y is a positive 128y. So my answer would be 128y minus 56. Number 3, have 13 times negative 18y and 13 times negative 11. 13 times negative 18y would be negative 234y. 13 times negative 11 would be what? Negative 143. My variable term is already first, so this would be my answer. So we're pretty comfortable with that. Now let's look at number 4. I have negative 4 times 14 and negative 4 times a positive 18b. Negative 4 times 14 is negative 56. And negative 4 times 18 would be, is that a negative or a positive 72? Correct. It is negative 72b. Even though I'm multiplying my negative times my positive, the result is a negative. And then I still have positive 12. Is this expression in its most simplest form? No, it's not. I have a numerical term here with negative 56. I have a variable term, but I also have another numerical term that can be combined with that negative 56. So what should I do? Good job, Jessica. Negative 56 and 12 need to be combined. So what would that leave me with? Correct. I would have negative 72b minus 44. And this would be my answer. First I had to multiply, and then I had to combine the like terms. That's called the distributive property. Let's look at number 5. I have 2 numbers on the outside of my parentheses. Which one do I distribute? Do I distribute 14, or what am I distributing? Negative 14. I need to distribute negative 14. to 4y and to 10. So negative 14 times 4y should get negative 56y. And then negative 14 times negative 10 is what? But what if I'm multiplying two negatives, what is the result?
All positive.
That's correct. In multiplication, if both signs are negative, the result is a positive number. So negative 14 times negative 10 is positive 140. And then I still have my negative 3 in front. So I have a negative 3, a negative 56y, and a positive 140. I need to collect my like terms. So I can combine negative 3 and 140. And I am left with negative 56y plus 137. Everyone see what I did there? You have the rest of the class period to finish the last 5 of your own, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When you're finished, you can turn them into me along with your sticky note for your warm-up, and you'll be done for the day. Please use your neighbors at your table as a resource. Ask them for help. Check your answers against theirs to make sure you're doing it correctly. I encourage teamwork to make sure that you understand what you're doing is correct. If you have any questions, please ask.